Hey friends, Kevin Gehring here, your Sacramento, Stockton area real estate lender and realtor, here with the weekly real estate report. Well, let's take a look at what's going on this week. Well, the first thing I want to look at right here is the median home price, the gold line right here, the median home price. Look where we have gone in just the last couple of weeks. Now, we were down here in, I don't know, about 420,000 as the median sales price. Hey, this week we hit $475,000. Now, I expect that number to get corrected down a little bit once all the data comes in for this week, but the trend just continues to go up and up and up. Really, we're holding right about 455, 450 is where it has been the last couple of weeks, but this is an indicator of things to come. And again, why is that happening? Well, if we look at the spread between the blue line, the pending home sales, and the green line, which I keep pointing out is historically low, at least for my statistics, the spread that we have here is pretty much almost hit another record. Now, the worst it's ever been through the time that I've been keeping records happened just a few weeks ago, where we hit a negative 2268. Actually, 2280. 2280 is the worst it's been between this pending line, the blue line, and the amount of available homes. Well, this week we've almost hit another record again. We're at 2211, as were the week before. We were at 2062. So it looked a little bit better last week, got a little bit worse this week. And of course, supply and demand is going to continue to drive this price up. Now, the experts are not really in agreement as to where they think this is all going to go. Of course, we ran into this whole problem because of COVID. There's a lot of fear in the market. People are pulling their house on the market. And I believe there's still a lot, not so much of fear, but people saying, let's not have people come through our house right now. Let's not sell. Those people who do need to sell are selling, and there's a lot of buyers who want to buy. Absolutely a lot of buyers who want to move, especially a lot of first-time home buyers. Keep bringing that up. But I see change on the horizon. There's always going to be some sort of change. Hey, yesterday I showed a foreclosed home. Now, that may seem a little, why am I so shocked at that? I don't think I've showed a foreclosed home in 4 or 5 years now. It's been a long time since we've had all the foreclosures, but I'm back seeing foreclosures. I showed a short sale the other day. So short sales, foreclosures, starting to actually see a few out there. Not really a great sign unless you're a buyer and you're looking for a deal. Then, like I always say, short sales are your best deal out there. So I could do a whole conversation on that one. But anyway, that's what's going on this week. We're pretty much a lot of the same, just kind of holding still a little bit above 5,000 pending sales, below 3,000 for our available homes. And of course, we had a second dip in a row up here, our red line for sales, but that doesn't surprise me because we go back 30 days and what do we see? 30 days ago, we had a drop in pending sales. So escrows are typically about 30 days. We're going to see a drop. We're going to see, of course, we saw a second drop this week because it's a short week, which means less sales are going to be reported. So that's what's going on with the real estate market. Rates. Freddie Mac is reporting that we hit another all-time record low of rates. Freddie Mac is reporting the average 30-year fixed rate is 2.81 with 0.6 of a point. Now, it's been 0.8 of a point for a very long time. Drop the rate, drop the points. Rates are really, really good. I just looked up a purchase rate. This is based on a $40,000 purchase, 20% down. That's a loan amount of $320. Came up with a rate of 2.491. That's an APR of 2.619 because I always like to charge that 1 point up front because it gets you the best rate. Now compare that to the refinance. I told you refinance rates were going up. Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae instituted that half-point hit. So the lenders have priced that out. So the same scenario, $400,000 value, $320,000 refinance with no cash out. That rate, instead of the 2.491 for a purchase, would be 2.672 for the refinance. The refinance rates did go up a little bit. That's an APR of 2.8. But rates are still fantastic. If you've been thinking about refinancing, give me a call, send me a message. I'd love to run the numbers for you. That's it for this week. Hope you have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.